So this is going to be just a short video showing some of the steps and thought process that you need to consider when you're starting a project. The first one is going to be electrical power going over to the shop, and then in this case I also have some plumbing and so forth. So you can see here I went in overkilled. I put this pipe in at about 4 foot deep. I'm going to be doing a 100 amp service. When I rewired this house about 4 or 5 years ago, I knew I was going to be doing a shop at some point, so I ended up doing a 100 amp disconnect over here, and then just a pipe that goes down and over, and then this is going to go over to my sub panel. There was previously a smaller shop here. You can kind of see the remnants of the ground rod that was in here. I'll probably do a rebar ground and then just tie on to the ground rods that were in there, just as a added bonus to that. You can see I already have the plumbing laid out and set up and passed inspection, so we're going to be ready to go as soon as the weather allows us to proceed. The water coming in here, I was debating whether or not to go under slab on that, and personally I just like having more access to things in the future. So what I'll probably do is over here on the side I'll just trench and work my way over to the spigot, which is over there in the back. I'm going to be taking out all this fencing and so forth too once I get the job done, and extend that, and then just trench a water line over here, and then come up the side and do a spigot as well as a penetration in to do my water service, and then everything's going to be in the walls to move over. I haven't quite decided on exactly how I'm going to do the layout on all that on the inside, but once we get everything framed up, I'll go over that whole process. Same thing with some of the other details as we move along. If you have any questions or anything else you want me to go over, feel free to let me know. Thank you.